What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jasper Chase back with another motovlog. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to try something a little different, so stay tuned. All right, let's get some gas. Let's get some gas. There we go. All right, let's get on a ride, man. I haven't actually been out in a minute. So that kind of brings me to my first point. What in the world have I been doing? I mean, I just posted the Hurricane Idalia video, but that was just kind of a fluke. I wanted to get it out before the hurricane hit, and I probably should have done it a couple days prior, but whatever, it is what it is. But today, I'm just going to talk. I'm going to relax and have a great ride, and we're just going to see what happens. All right, so, I mean, where have I been? Basically, I got bipolar, and I've talked about this before in my videos. It is a disease, and it's been crippling me for decades, not years, decades. My whole life has just been ruined because of bipolar and being untreated, and unfortunately I didn't see that until I was being treated. So that's why I'm 40 years old, living with my sister, and I got an $11 an hour job. So yeah, bipolar sucks. I'm doing stuff to better my life. I've got some investments that I'm getting ready to put towards a house as soon as the interest rates are down. You know, I got my bike. You know, I ride it as comfort and stress relief. I play with my niece all the time. I love my sister. You know, I get to go to church and hang out, and life isn't bad. The money sucks. The money sucks really bad. I do not like making $11 an hour, but it is what it is. What is this guy doing? Okay, I guess he didn't want to go that way. I want to go this way. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. So I've been doing stuff to better my life, but you know, the depression is there. I'm in the process of getting treated with a new medication, so I've been working with that, and it's going good. I'm about 2 weeks in, and my stress level's down. I'm not irritated anymore. I don't cry at the stupidest things. Like, I love America's Got Talent. It's like my favorite show, and I would always get choked up when someone did really well in their audition. And it was so stupid, and like I'd be sitting there tearing up and like wiping the tears from my eyes and thinking, why am I crying at this? It's so stupid. So anyways, I'm on a new medication that has fixed all that, and I just had a doctor's appointment to report everything, and everything seems to be good. So I'm doing a little bit better now, but over the past 2 weeks while I've been doing this medicine adjustment, I just haven't had it in me to make a motovlog. It just is what it is. There's some other factors, you know. I guess my expectations for being a motovlogger was a lot higher than what I thought it was going to be, and let me explain. I thought that with 3,000 subscribers, I was just going to get back on the horse and get hundreds of views per video and tons of comments and likes, and you know, it just isn't there. I lost, in between the 4 years that I had my R1 till now, I lost all my subscribers, and it's frustrating because, you know, I used to get all of these views and all of this the community was there, you know, and it's a very small niche on YouTube now. Motovlogging is nowhere near as big as it used to be, and I'm basically restarting at the worst possible time. So I guess I'm a little jaded, if you will. I don't know how else to explain it. I've been down at the fact that I've only been getting, you know, 30 views or 40 views on these videos that I work really hard on. I mean, a lot of these with like the history aspect, I research and I plan, and I've got all these notes, and you know, I really try to make a good solid video for everyone to watch. And then all of a sudden, after all this work, after 4 hours of editing, I get 30 views. Don't get me wrong, let me stop right there. I love every one of those 30 views. Do not get that confused. I love every single person that watches my video. I love every person that comments or likes it or shares it. I do not dismiss those people, because those people are the only reason why I'm still doing it, because I know that they love my videos. So it's not that, it's the fact that I had high expectations going back into this, thinking that I was going to start back where I did, having hundreds of thousands of, or sometimes thousands of views on these videos. Now there are a couple videos that I put out that have gotten over 1,000 views, which is nice, but really, and to you new YouTubers, shorts, that's where it's at. And I have not been doing shorts, and I really should be. I've got a subscriber named Trever, and awesome guy. He's a total OG to my channel. He used to watch me when I had the R1, and he's back with this the RS660. So I really appreciate that, dude. But what's interesting is he had like 1,000 subscribers when I first came back to YouTube, and I saw that he was commenting, so I subscribed to him, and I noticed that he had like 1,000 subscribers. Now he's got over 3,000 subscribers, and all he does is post shorts. I mean, there's a couple like 5-minute videos here and there which are really good, but his shorts are amazing, and they're very inspirational. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description. He's a really cool guy, and he's been a great supporter of my channel, so thank you very much. Okay, so let's talk about stalkers. Yeah, how's that segue? Yeah, I have stalkers, and it's not stalker, it's stalkers, plural. And let me tell you what happened. Basically, about maybe 15 years ago now, maybe 16 or 17 years ago, it's been a minute. My best friend at the time had a wife, and her best friend was this girl. Not gonna say her name, but so she is Scottish and only comes to the US to visit every now and again, but she really wanted to move to America, to here. And she's attractive. We got along, you know, I'd known her for a while, and we got along really well. So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll marry you, get you in the country, and then we'll just see what happens from there. So we did it. We came up with the plan. Everything was great, and you know, things happen, I guess. Dude, seriously, God. Anyways, just ran right out in front of me. And of course the GoPro's not going to show how close I was, because it looks farther away than it actually is, but that was pretty close. Okay, anyways, so long story short, we started, I guess I wouldn't call it dating yet. We really weren't together long enough for it to be called dating, but I found out that if you get caught doing a fake marriage to get someone in the country, it's a 5-year prison, $250,000 fine and penalty. No thank you. I did not want anything to do with that. So I told her that I couldn't do it. She got super pissed off about it. Her friend, my best friend's wife, got really pissed off at me about it. My best friend at the time clearly was upset about it, but we were friends, so you know, it is what it is. So that's how it ended, and she, as far as I know, never got into the country. I mean, I'm sure it's been 15 years. She's probably married and got kids now, you know, but the strange thing about it was, for years later, as years progressed, you know, I had girlfriends and then I broke up with them, or they broke up with me, or, you know, just relationships in general, you know, come and go. Well, good old Facebook has this little feature that says you are in a relationship or you are single, and you can put that down. Now, I posted that I was in a relationship with somebody, and then when that relationship was done, I went back to single. Well, she was monitoring my my Facebook page for years, and what happens is every time that she would see me single, she would go and contact that ex-girlfriend via Facebook and add them to this little I Hate Jasper club. And there was even this one time where they prank called me, and the Scottish girl said that she missed me, and I was in a relationship at the time, and she said that she missed me, and I was just being nice and said, oh yeah, I miss you too. Well, she had my actual girlfriend on the phone and didn't tell me, and then got me in trouble basically because I said I miss some other girl and not my girlfriend. Crazy. And it's been like that for years and years and years. And there was even one time, this is how I still know it exists, is that one of my ex-girlfriends was going through a really tough time, and apparently had been talking with one of the other girls' ex-girlfriends from that group, and I guess couldn't take it. And so one of those girls contacted me and said, hey, this girl's not doing well, can you reach out to her? And I'm like, in my head, I'm obviously, you know, I did. She's a nice person, and you know, whatever, she's a nice person. I didn't want her to feel bad, so I did contact her, but still, that tells me that the group is still together. Now, to go even further, I posted a relationship video, and one of the girls made a comment about me talking about her, which tells me they're still stalking me. They're still, like, why would she watch my video at all? Like, she has no ties to me. We had a nasty breakup. You know, why would she even be watching my videos, as I just recently started posting? So it's crazy, and fortunately I don't really care. It doesn't bother me at all. It is what it is, and if they want to mess with me, go ahead and mess with me. I don't care. It doesn't bother me at all. But I think it's very strange that just because I didn't want to face prison and a $250,000 fine, that this whole organization got started to stalk me. It was just ridiculous. Anyways, I digress. It was a crazy situation. Hopefully one day they will just stop bothering me. That would be nice. Well, guys, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this kind of random topic video. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys keep doing what you're doing. I'm out.